Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza, and today, just like every day, I'm going to give you guys an update on my portfolio. But before I do, I am going to mention the Sqqq, which is basically a ticker symbol that is shorting the QQQ. And as you guys can see, that ticker symbol is rising. Now, I do have it set on past week because that's what I was looking at, but I do want to show you guys what it looked like for the day. So it was up 4% today, and then in the after hours, it looks like it's going to go another 3%. So that is 7% for the day for the Sqqq, which is why you guys didn't get any alerts from me today, because I did not participate in the stock market. Now, I'm quickly going to go over my portfolio and show you guys what we are looking at and dealing with. I'm going to start with the options as I always do, but I also want to show you that my buying power is still strong and we are looking to deploy all this capital on one trade. And that trade is going to be the trade that makes us $100,000. Yep, we are going to be deploying all this capital in one trade. That trade was supposed to be NEO today, but just because of the low volume and the way the market is looking, I did not deploy that equity into NEO. So I am going to hold on to it. I am debating which 2 or 3 stocks I'm looking in. And I am going to be buying long-term options with this money. So stay tuned to the channel if you guys want to see where I'm deploying this money. And of course, if you guys are members, and of course, for members, you guys will get alerted automatically as soon as I place those trades. And for those of you who are not members, don't worry, you can always join. The join button is right next to the subscribe button below this video. Okay, now back to the options. So I am down on almost all the options that you guys are looking at. But the good thing is I have time on my side. So which means that all these options are expiring in 2022. They're all long calls. I did sell my ExxonMobil calls for a profit. So now the portfolio is almost entirely red. The only thing that is close to break even in this portfolio of options is GM, which is only minus $700. But that is just because I have 2 calls and PLTR. So PLTR did go up today because this loss was $800. So we're at $584. I think we're going to be able to recoup this fairly quickly, so we should be fine. Now let's jump into the stocks. Snow is down, NEO is down, Jumia is down, negative 350. We were making an $800 profit in Jumia just a couple of days ago, and now it is negative 350. BNGO in the red, ACB in the red, Piton in the red, Excel in the red, NNDM in the red. So by the way, just so you guys know, I am actively looking to buy more NNDM common stock and more BNGO common stock as well. NAK is in the red, Clove is in the red as well, quite a bit in the red. I have 500 shares of Clove and they are all in the red, unfortunately, but that is just what today is looking like for me. CHEK in the red, SRPT in the red. We were actually making a profit on this yesterday, but I decided to hold on and see what I want to do with this stock. TMDI in the red, Nokia in the red quite a bit. So Nokia actually fell below that $4, it seems like, quite a bit. It may be a good time for us to take a position in Nokia. PCTI in the red, TRIT in the red. Lightbridge, once again, continuing to fall significantly. Maybe a point of entry for us sometime tomorrow. Sana in the red. PLTR, like I said, once again, look, PLTR is the only thing in my entire portfolio that is moving green for the day. I'm still losing $3,400, but it is in the green. WWR in the red. Fubo in the red as well. Now, Fubo is interesting. It is one of the companies that I'm considering buying long-term option calls in as well. So we're going to see how that plays out. We're going to see where the market goes tomorrow, and then we're going to make a decision on that. GNOG red, NGAC red, PACE red, Time red, Polar red, Tesla red. Tesla, huge losses in Tesla. I wonder where Tesla went to. I wasn't following Tesla today all day, so I don't know how low it dropped. And oh my God, I cannot believe that I am seeing this number with Tesla. This is just ridiculous. Tesla is hovering at $600. Well, $602 for me. All I see is $600. And of course, all the other stocks below it are in the red as well. Interesting thing is RAAC did see some traction today. I wonder why that was. It did go up slightly, and let me click on the volume here and see what is going on. So we did have significant amount of sales, but it seems like what pushed it up is probably the buys that we had either pre-market or right as market open. So there may be some news with RAAC, and we are going to hold on to it. Now, the good thing about SPACs, and the last 3 ticker symbols that I am holding in this portfolio are all SPACs, is that there is a limited downturn. So these stocks are not going to go below where they were. So that's kind of a good thing that I have in this portfolio while investing in SPACs, is that there is a limited downtrend on them. They have residual value, that is $10. So we maintain that $10 throughout, no matter where the market is going. Now, of course, with crypto, let's start with Doge, negative $40. Not a big deal, but this is the biggest loss I have had in Doge since I purchased it. Bitcoin hovering at 46,000. I believe that the true bottom for Bitcoin is 46,000. That is an important point of support for Bitcoin. If it drops below that, I am going to be a little concerned. I may buy into Bitcoin and hold it overnight, just like I did the other day, and we may make some profits when market opens. And that's something, of course, that I shared with you guys. So Ethereum currently hovering at 1474, which is a buy for me. As you guys can see, in the past, March 2nd, I bought Ethereum at 1479, and then we sold it next morning at 1600. So it's $1,600. We made a couple $100, and we got to keep some Ethereum. I may jump back into Ethereum tonight, and then sell it first thing in the morning so that we can trade in the markets. Anyways, if you guys are members, I will alert you of that. You guys will get a notification once I decide, or if I decide to buy Ethereum. So yeah, guys, that is what my portfolio is looking like today. I had to shoot this video really quickly so that I can push it out there, because I know I am a little late today reporting live to you guys. But this is what my portfolio looked like. Once again, we are going to be looking at SQQQ and SPY tomorrow to see where the market is heading. So we're not going to be looking at individual stocks at this point. Once we get a better bearing on where the market is going, we are going to be looking to jump into some call options, and they're going to be aggressive. So stay tuned if you want to see how those end up for this portfolio. I'm pretty sure they're going to end up well, but you still want to stay tuned and see where they end up. The portfolio is currently sitting at $113,000, which means we did lose $12,000 overnight. The portfolio is down 10%. This is an additional 10% from yesterday. So not good news for the portfolio. We're hurting. The market is hurting. I did not make any trades today. And just like that, my name is Hamza, and I'm going to see you guys next video.